Монгол улсад ил тод байдал, олон нийтийн оролцоог нэмэгдүүлэхэд нийгмийн эгэх хариуцлагыг бэхжүүлэх нь буюу АСАМ 2 төсөл.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues and friends, Switzerland believes that civil society and citizens have an important role to play in strengthening the accountability of public officials, reducing corruption and improving public service delivery. Mongolia and Switzerland are committed in promoting the implementation of all 17 SDGs worldwide. With goal number 3, providing good health and well-being, we work together to ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. And with the goal 17, building partnership for SDGs, we are strengthening the means of implementation and revitalize the sustainable development. Social accountability is the key way to address governance issues. It ensures that information from the citizen perspective is given directly into the hearts of government officials, and they have the capacity to make change happen. However, it also empowers people to demand and monitor these changes, creating citizen-centric governance. Since 2015, in partnership with the World Bank, the Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation supported Mongolia to mainstream the social accountability, to strengthen the capacities of both civil society and public sector agencies in service delivery in the health sector and budget planning and execution, including public investment. We have seen that the path to development comes from listening to the voices of civil society and that active citizens are at the center of good governance. We also have seen that the digital tools are effective platforms for engagement of citizens in the public investment, planning and improvement of health service delivery. You will see that now social accountability mechanisms and tools are enabling an improved delivery of key services and increased impacts of public investment projects on people's livelihood. Finally, let me express our appreciation to all our partners, especially those who worked in rural areas, for their tremendous efforts and commitment. You are building the partnership to ensure that no one is left behind. Thank you.
The World Bank has been pleased to implement the second phase of the MASAM project during 2021 to 2023 with financing from the Swiss Agency for Cooperation and Development and the Global Partnership for Social Accountability. Through this MASAM project, Mongolia has been able to demonstrate the power of social accountability and collaboration, and budget literacy, and to showcase how citizens can be made responsible for and capable of promoting change. Benefits from collaboration between the government and non-government stakeholders were evident and impactful as observed from the numerous social accountability initiatives at the local level the project supported. This will enable citizens the opportunity to provide feedback on public investment project proposals and also to convey their levels of satisfaction regarding the delivery of primary healthcare services going forward. The ICT interfaces supported by the project were designed and developed in a participatory way from the very beginning and have now been institutionalized and incorporated into the existing government systems for sustainability. This will enable citizens the opportunity to provide feedback on public investment project proposals and to convey their level of satisfaction regarding the delivery of primary healthcare services going forward. It is our deep wish that not only these efforts continue in Mongolia, but also the whole region learns from Mongolia and finally to lead to a similar path moving forward. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anne-Sophie Jespersen and I lead the operations for the Global Partnership for Social Accountability. The Global Partnership for Social Accountability is a multi-donor trust fund within the World Bank that finances civil society engagement to improve social accountability in countries, in particular in service delivery. We have been engaged in Mongolia for a while. We financed the TAME project, looking at social accountability in particular within the education sector and also within health. So when the opportunity came to co-finance MASAM 2, that was looking to scale some of the social accountability mechanisms in service delivery together with the Swiss, we were very interested in that. What we really want to see is how social accountability in this project can be used to improve service delivery, in particular in the health sector. And what we're very encouraged by in this project are some of the results we've seen on the ground. I find it fascinating that you have seen some of these different digital platforms in this project, for example, come up through the hackathon on how you can use digital tools to improve social accountability to get better results in the health sector. We also think that the client satisfaction survey that has been used in hospitals shows some very promising results and really tries to center the experience of clients and users in hospitals and provides a feedback loop where that information can go back to the government that is responsible for supplying these services. Finally, I think when we're looking forward, what we're very interested in seeing are two things in terms of sustaining the results. First is to see how some of these good examples can be scaled in government systems. How can the government pick up on the best examples and the learnings from this project and really look to scale it across the country? So that's the first one. The second one is to see how some of the good examples from this project, like the Good Hospital Satisfying Services engagement, can be piloted and used in other regions. We know that there's interest from government stakeholders on the ground, and seeing some results in the next couple of years on this would be very important for us. We're excited to stay engaged. In particular, the CSO partners on this project have been really fantastic, and so we look forward to continue learning and to continue seeing these results. Thank you.
Монгол Улсын хэмжээнд нийгмийн эгэх хариуцлагыг бэхжүүлэх замаар төсвийн хөрөнгө оруулалтын үр дүн, төрийн үйлчлэгээний чанар хүртээмжийг нэмэгдүүлэх зорилгоор MASAM 2 төслийг Швейцарын хөгжлийн агентлаг нийгмийн эгэх хариуцлагын дэлхийн түншлэлийн санхүүжилтээр Дэлхийн банк, Globe International төв, Дэлхийн зам олон улсын байгууллагатай хамтран хэрэгжүүллээ.